Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the invalid account error in MetaTrader 5 step by step. This issue usually appears when logging into your trading account, and it can happen due to incorrect login details or server selection. Let's get started. MetaTrader 5 is widely used for Forex, stocks, and other financial trading. Sometimes users see an invalid account error when trying to connect to their broker. Here are the most common fixes. Step 1. Check your login credentials. First, make sure you are entering the correct account number or login ID, password. Many traders accidentally enter the investor password instead of the main trading password. Double-check your login details provided by your broker. Step 2. Select the correct server. Open MetaTrader 5, click File, and then select Login to Trade Account. In the server field, make sure you select the correct server provided by your broker. Using the wrong server is one of the most common reasons for the invalid account error. Step 3. Verify the account is active. If your trading account has not been activated yet, you may see this error. Check your email for confirmation from your broker. Some brokers require email verification before you can log in. Step 4. Reset your password. If you're unsure about your password, reset it through your broker's website or client portal. After resetting, try logging in again using the new password. Step 5. Update the platform. Make sure you are using the latest version of MetaTrader 5. Older versions may sometimes fail to connect properly to the broker's servers. Check for updates or reinstall the platform if necessary. Step 6. Contact your broker. If the problem still continues, contact your broker's support team. Provide them with your account number and ask them to verify whether your account is active and connected to the correct server. And that's it. That's how you fix the MetaTrader 5 invalid account error step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical trading platform tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.